This is Hema Durgasi from Vizag. Currently, I am pursuing my 6th year pharmacy from Srinivasara College of Pharmacy. And I would like to thank Mujib sir for selecting me to this internship. During these 15 days internship programs, I learned many new things every day, which was the task given by them. And I learned SWOT analysis, animation video creation, puzzle creation. Especially in SWOT analysis, it took me a whole day to know my personal strengths and weakness. This was the first time I have ever experienced that SWOT analysis. And while creating the animation video, I learned many new things. And I have gone through before many puzzles, but I have never created them. But this internship made me to do that. And coming to Pratap sir, who helped me a lot. I used to ask many questions, but he never gets angry. He always replies me immediately. And Uma Priya ma'am, she always supports us. And Mujib sir, thank you so much sir for bringing us such type of internship programs. But one disappointment is that this internship was only for 15 days. It would have been for few more days so that we can learn many new things furthermore. But anyways, we are happy that we learned something new. These 15 days, these were the most productive days in my life where I have learned many new things. Thank you so much sir. Thank you. Clenazole and Clenazole Research Private Limited and Clenazole team, especially Mujibuddin sir and Uma Priya ma'am and Pratap sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. My name is Abhilasha Roy, final year B Pharmacy student at Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy. From last 15 days, I had been working with Clinizole Research Private Limited as a trainee intern business development. My experience with Clinizole Research was awesome. The task assigned each day was well structured and worth learning, which included PowerPoint presentation for content creation, then engaging ourselves on LinkedIn, preparing pharmacy puzzles, animated videos, blog writing, and many more as well. As this task assigned here was at corporate level, we got to learn about presentation skills and time management especially. It was little difficult for me to manage time because I had to manage my both ongoing college lectures as well as this daily task. But yes, Clinizole taught me how to manage both of this to go hand in hand and proceed. Apart from this, Clinizole not only taught us as an interns, it gave us an opportunity to attend various webinars on the topic clinical data management, article writing, and many more as well. The interactive session held with Mujib sir, Pratap sir, and Uma Priya ma'am was awesome. And yes, how can I forget the SWOT analysis session which was held by Uma Priya ma'am, that helped me to understand my strength, weakness, opportunities, and trends, etc. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Pratap sir who was always there to guide us and understand each day task. I would like to thank Mujib sir, Uma Priya ma'am, Pratap sir, and entire team of Clinizole for selecting me and giving this opportunity to me to learn and grow. It has been a great learning experience with Clinizole. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Rehan Nishad. I have completed my bachelor's in pharmacy. I have recently joined Clinizole as a trainee intern business development. Working with Clinizole was a very experienced learning. It is a very fruitful one. I have learned many things from Clinizole. Daily we were getting tasks, we were assigned tasks, and we were working on them, which were very interesting and which were very good to learn. We have created many SWOT analysis, we have created puzzles, we have worked on presentations, and they were just absolutely brilliant and a knowledge gaining one. I would highly recommend everyone to join it. And lastly, I would like to thank Kavya Pratap sir, Uma Priya ma'am, and Mujibuddin sir for giving us this brilliant opportunity to work with you all. And learning with you all was a very enjoyable journey and a very grateful one, though it was a short journey. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sakshita Pundre from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and I am pursuing third year B Pharmacy from Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur. I would like to thank Mujib sir and Uma Priya ma'am for giving me opportunity to work as trainee intern in clinical research. It was great learning experience as I learned many new things like animation video creation. In this task, I learned how to use and put animation effects and animation in the video to deliver the content in a more informative and impressive way. We all have solved puzzles but never created one. And in the puzzle creation task, I created the puzzle related to the topic of pharmacy in a very informative and the fun way. I was able to explore my strength and weakness in the SWOT analysis task, which was really an interesting task for the individual to explore and discover their opportunities, strength and weakness. I would like to thank Pratap sir for always solving our queries and guiding us for every task. Mujib sir, Uma Priya ma'am and Pratap sir, thank you for being there as a clinical research team and guiding us for our better future and career. Thank you Clinical Research and Clinical Research Private Limited.
Hi, this is Pawan Tiwari. I am pursuing my undergraduate in BPharm from Sinhagad Institute of Pharmacy, Pune with overall CGPA 8. When it comes to schooling, I did my intermediate from BSCB board, score 84% and 10th from CBSE board, score 9 CGPA. Along with my degree, I have completed my internship in digital marketing as a team leader and team leader in sanitizer production department in our college. I am a campus ambassador of ECL IIT Bombay. I have also completed my internship in Clinosol Research Private Limited under the guidance of Mujabuddin sir, Kapre Pratap sir, Uma Priya ma'am. During this internship, I learned many things, many new things, and enjoy also during our task like SWOT analysis, and also created a innovative pharmacy puzzle, animated video, etc. Many things. So thanks a lot. Thanks all Clinosol team for providing this opportunity to me, and thanks a lot.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sandeep Mehra. I'm from Patel College of Pharmacy. I did internship at Intern Business Development at Clinosol Research Private Limited. And here is my experience is very good about the internship. I did so many things and learn about the task of here puzzle creation, LinkedIn engagement, how to use LinkedIn and make connections lots of there, and know about the companies, what the work of company doing. This all things is learned from Clinosols. And instead of that, we are creating an animated video, PowerPoint presentation, slide shares, and main important things is blog writing. How to write a blog. This is learned from Clinosols. And here is our coordinator and mentor of Clinosol research is Kavya Pratap sir. He is very talented, and Uma Priya ma'am, which was the director at Clinosol Research Private Limited, and our founder and CEO of at Clinosol Research Private Limited is Mujabuddin Sheikh sir. He have the experience about the pharmacy fields and pharmacology, pharmacovigilance, all this research knowledge he has. He is the good career guidance at the Clinosol Research Private Limited, and the experience is very good. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Shram Sharma. I am from B Pharmacy 5th semester, graduating from University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur. I would like to thank Clinosol for letting me this opportunity in their internship program in business development. Thank you to Kapya sir for mentoring me. I here learnt about CDM, that is clinical data management, and innovations and current scenarios and pharmacovigilance in pharmaceutical industries. Innovation and current scenarios are the areas which I have focused on the most. Apart from that, Tasks like PPT and blog writing are really good. The SWOT analysis task was really good, and actually I hope that I could analyze more of the companies. The animation video was new to me. This was a new skill that I have developed in this training program. Other than that, I really regret that I could have made that animation video more better, but I couldn't. I really hope that more students should join Clinosol. Thank you to Mujibuddin sir for mentoring and motivating us in online sessions. Thank you, Clinosol.
Hi, I Talim Mehdi, student of Pharma 4th year from Mera College of Pharmacy, Ira University, Lucknow. With this, I completed many online courses from foreign universities like a drug discovery, a drug development, an introduction to the pharmacovigilance, the challenges of global health, and good clinical practice, and many other online courses. With this, I published 2 review articles. One is on topic a short review on mucormycosis, which is a black fungus, and second one is a review on pharmacological action of fenugreek. I would like to thank Clinosol Research, Kamper Pratap sir, Mujibuddin Sheikh sir, and Uma Priya ma'am for giving me such a great opportunity to work as a training intern business development at Clinosol Research. During the 15 days internship, I learned many new things like how to write a blog, how to make a puzzle, how to make an animation video, how to write a SWOT and competitive analysis, and how to connect a new people in LinkedIn, how to engage ourselves in LinkedIn, and many new things. Thanks. I am happy to learn new things. Once again, thanks to Mujibuddin Sheikh sir, Kapil Pratap sir, and Uma Priya ma'am for giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you.
I am Shakumar Mishra, B Pharma final year student from Shuni University in Himachal Pradesh. I am thankful to Clinosol Research. They give me wonderful opportunity for internship. I am a training intern in business development at a Clinosol Research Pharmacy. I have learned many things during this internship, such as PPT create, to work on MS Word, and creating a puzzle and blog writing. These tasks are helpful to me and create analytic skills and marketing skills and research skills. I am thankful to Mujibuddin sir, Uma ma'am, and Kavya Pratap sir. They give me a wonderful opportunity to present my skills during this internship, and after that my B Pharma to grow up these skills to promote my academic as well as my job interview. Thank you, Clinosol.